two of my colleagues who previously attended this course, and they actually recommended this course to me. And both of them actually passed in their first attempt. So they gave quite high marks to the course, and that's part of the reason why I actually joined the course. And if you remember, when I started, I was not doing well. So it was part of the reason with work balance, and I could not really actually balance everything. But kudos to the course. It was because of you guys that you basically pushed us to study. And especially with the weekend vivas, and especially with the last vivas as well, they prepared us really well. Last 1 week, I studied less and I just listened to the lectures more. I went through the lectures again and again, and I just was trying to mentally prepare myself what is basically coming up for me. Got a whole lot of resources in the form of LMS. And thank you, Wani. It was really helpful, the course was, and it helped me pass the exam. And I would certainly recommend it to the rest of my colleagues as well.